Learn how to create professionally looking documents in Microsoft Word. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to access your Microsoft Word application. So click on Start and click inside this place and type in Word. It should show up as a burst match, select it. Once your Word application opens, look at the template section and click on More Templates. There are so many professional templates you can work with, alright, in Microsoft Word. What you need to do is to select a template of your choice, then edit the information inside it to become yours. For example, let's work with resume in this case. So once I click on it, it will open. But let me show you something. Maybe you have a particular document in mind. Just click here and type the name of the document you want to create professionally. It will pop up. Okay, once it pops up, select it and change what is inside. So, but let's get to what I want us to do. So I'll click on this. You will see the preview of what you want to create. So click on create. Now here, the name of the person that has the document is the one on this top because we are trying to create CV. So instead of having that, I will just you click at the front, press the backspace key of your computer keyboard, it will go. And here, let's call this Godwin Mike. All right. So you have your own name inside the document. All right. So the next thing you need to do here is the address section. Okay. Then your email address. So just change this. Then objective to obtain a challenging data science position in dynamic and innovative organization where I can use my technical analytical skills. So change this information to suit into yours. All right, you know the objective of the job you are seeking for. Okay, then you come down here, your experience, list your experience. Okay, then structure this. Maybe you're applying for something tech. Structure it in a way that it will look more like tech resume. Okay, someone that's applying for tech job. Then the education section has to do with your university, all right, your secondary school and your primary school if you want to include that. So here, education, you have the university section and the college section as only. So, but if you want to add something more, click here, press enter, add your information the way you want to add it. Then skills. Here you list. You can click here, delete what is here, and then list your own. Okay, so let me undo that. Then at the end of the whole thing, you are done with everything you want to do. You can click on save button, then select maybe for it to be saved on OneDrive, or if you don't want that, close this. Maybe you want to save it locally, click on file, select save as, then select browse. So once it gets to your PC, give it a name of your choice. Okay, so let's call it resume 2026. All right, so once you give it a name like that, you click on save. If this video helps, consider subscribing. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.